In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete your Zotero account. Whether you're consolidating accounts or stepping away from the platform, this guide will take you through the process with clarity and ease. We'll break down each step so you can follow along and ensure your account is deleted successfully. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to zotero.org. This is the starting point for accessing your account and making necessary changes. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're on the Zotero homepage, your journey begins. Next, you need to head over to your profile page. Look to the top right corner of the screen where you'll notice your username. Click on your username and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Profile. This will redirect you to your profile page where you have various account settings and options at your disposal. Now that you're on your profile page, it's time to access the Security tab. In the Settings area, you'll see several tabs to choose from. Click on the tab labeled Security. The Security tab houses options related to protecting your account such as password management and API keys, providing a central hub for safeguarding your account information. With the Security tab open, the final step is to delete your account. Scroll down until you reach the section labeled Delete Account. Here you will find the option to delete your account. Click on Delete Account and you'll be prompted to confirm this action by entering your password. This is a crucial step as it confirms your intent to permanently remove your account and all associated data from Zotero's servers. Once you've entered your password and confirmed, your account will be deleted permanently. There you have it, a straightforward process to permanently delete your Zotero account. Remember, deleting your account is irreversible, so make sure this action aligns with your intentions. If you have any data or references you'd like to keep, ensure you back them up or save them elsewhere before proceeding. This process is designed to be transparent and user-friendly, but double-check that you've completed each step carefully to avoid any hitches. We hope this guide has been helpful and provided you with all the information you need to delete your account with confidence. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out with any questions or comments. Goodbye, and take care.